What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be talking about probably the best phone of 2018. Now, Huawei had been really impressed ever since they released the new P20 Pro, their flagship, but now we're hearing more and more rumors about getting the updated version of the last year's Huawei Mate 10 Pro, which was a big success for the company. This year we'll get the new Mate 20 Pro, which will have absolutely incredible features. First off, it will have an enormous battery, which means a lot of battery life, and a triple camera on the back. This will be absolutely incredible and I cannot express how excited I am for all these features. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video where we will look at the latest leaks, rumors and features that we'll see about 90% certain on this new flagship. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So a few weeks ago at the IFA 2018, Huawei released their Kirin 980 chipset and they supposedly claimed it will be the first 7nm chipset to be ever used in a smartphone. Unfortunately, Apple beat Huawei with their Apple A12 Bionic, but still the Kirin 980 is one of the first 7nm chipsets that we'll see in a smartphone, and it will be featured in the Mate 20 Pro. Essentially, it means that the chip is really powerful, it is very power efficient, and it can perform a lot, actually a ton of operations per second. So the Mate 20 Pro by Huawei will feature a 6.9-inch display, which is absolutely huge. Therefore, I'm also guessing it will be a bezel-less display. Maybe we'll see a notch on the top, but mainly it will be just the display on the front. We will also see 6GB of RAM in the phone, along with the Kirin 980 as I mentioned. We will also see a 4200 mAh battery, which is absolutely incredible, and the phone will also be waterproof and it will have the IP67 rating. We will also see fast charging and wireless fast charging, and what that means, well, supposedly the Huawei Mate 20 Pro will be able to charge its 4200 mAh battery in just, I believe it's about 45 minutes. Essentially, you'll be able to get 70% of a charge, so the phone will be charged up to 70% from zero in just 30 minutes. Now that is absolutely incredible. I have never heard of anything like that, and I think it's one of the fastest charging capabilities other than the Oppo Find X on the market right now. On the back we will see a 24 megapixel triple camera setup. Now on the P20 Pro we also have the triple camera setup, but on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro we will get an even better and even more improved hardware than we already have on the P20 Pro. We'll also get more and improved features, so basically AI capabilities, as well as a feature called Hivision, and that will essentially act as Google Lens. Now, we also saw a leak recently by DxOMark claiming that this phone will have a score of 120, which is 11 points higher than the current number one phone, which is the Huawei P20 Pro, meaning that the Mate 20 Pro will have an even better camera than we already have on the P20 Pro, which is absolutely mind-blowing. On some of the leaked pictures and images of the Mate 20 Pro, we did not see the fingerprint sensor, and therefore we are pretty sure that we will see an inbuilt fingerprint sensor into the display, which is one of my favorite things that smartphone manufacturers are doing right now. We will also get 3D face unlock, basically the same as Face ID on the phone, which is also really nice. But listen to this. Huawei Mate 20 Pro will apparently bring something that no other phone has right now, and it's called Bone Voice Unlock. Something along those lines. I'm not really sure on the name, as it does sound kind of weird, but basically the phone, the Mate 20 Pro, will allow you to unlock the phone with just your voice. Now, I'm not sure if you will need Huawei earphones for this or not, but if this really is true, it will be the most advanced unlocking mechanism on any phone right now, and I'm definitely looking forward to it. Another incredible feature that we'll probably see is wireless projecting. And what that means, if you have a projector, the phone will be able to cast the screen or just project what you're doing on the phone to a projector, and then the projector will basically project it further, and that is absolutely incredible. I'm not too familiar with this technology, but I haven't tried it out and I have never heard of it before, therefore it is something that I'm potentially interested in. Finally, Huawei is introducing something new to the phone. Apparently the Mate 20 Pro will feature a Nano SD card. So right now we have the micro SD card, but the Nano SD card will be apparently even smaller. It will go up to 256 gigabytes and it will save more space in the interior of the phone for more components, battery, whatever you may choose. As for the pricing, the Mate 20 Pro will be priced around $1,100, which, yes, I know it's on the pricey side, but for features like this that are brand new, the most advanced camera, I know why they price it like this. If the phone really is as amazing as it looks, it will be. I'm guessing that the people will be willing to pay the price. So anyway, this is all the info that we currently have on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Personally, I'm really excited. I'm mainly excited about the battery and how fast it will be able to charge, but also the camera. I'm really looking to testing out the camera. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about this phone and what you're most excited about. Also, drop this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time.